We have two different research groups here. We have Oregon State University and Virginia Institute of Marine Science. The whole goal is to see if productivity, growth at the bottom of the food chain is changing during the late part of the season.
We predominantly filter water samples that we collect both from an underway system, the super sucker system, as well as from CTD casks.
That water is pumped right back up here into the laboratory where we do a number of chemical analyses.
So we're measuring the partial pressure of CO2 gas in the seawater, different carbon species that are in the water. We're also doing the seawater nutrients, so we're measuring silicate, phosphate, nitrate, and ammonia.
While we're out here, our primary focus is to look at nitrogen fixation and to see how the local phytoplankton community is or is not using that source of nitrogen.
This builds on our work from last year, which focused on work that was about 30 miles offshore and farther, and this year we're focusing on 30 miles offshore and closer.
We are interested in finding out whether the same places where we found these amounts of carbon being produced are still occurring earlier in the year, and also because we'll be able to get much closer to land, we might be able to see more whether or not materials coming out from land, so nutrients and organic matter from land is actually making it out to the coastal ocean.
I believe it's important because knowing what chemicals there is in the water pretty much determines the health of the ocean.
The drive to understand it is what keeps us coming back. Maybe I can help someone down the road, where productivity may be happening and how the world may be changing around them.